Hold up. Okay, so I am finished. Like I said, I'm going to show you everything. Let me turn this camera around. Wait a minute. I had to put this one in. Give me a sec here. This joker hot. Okay. So, here is the Chipono. Actually, it's just a seafood salad. I can't talk today for nothing. Seafood stew. I couldn't say San Francisco earlier. I kept on San Francisco. I'm tired. That's when you know you're tired. So in here, look at all that seafood. You got scallops, shrimp, mussels, clams, crab claws, lobster meat, crab meat again, peppers, onions, celery, tomatoes, whole tomatoes, little cherry tomatoes. A pot full of goodness right here. Look at that there. Look at that. Here's the grilled lamb chops I grilled. Right, here's the rice for whichever. Here's the sauteed kale with mushrooms, peppers. It's a special sauce on here, soy sauce and ketchup mixed together. It's out of this world. This is my niece's recipe right here. This is not mine. Her name is Indira Prasinda Singh. You hear that, Prasinda? That's my niece's recipe. It don't belong to me. I didn't make it mine and don't want it. I like it just the way she gave it to me. Yeah. Yes, sir. That's sauteed. Right? And the grill, this has mint, the fresh mint, lemon juice, and I just used pink Himalayan salt on here, pepper, cayenne pepper, what else did I put? And then do the balsamic this time, Now, and I used the grapeseed olive oil on here. But this baby right here, I gotta get off my feet now, I'm tired. I am tired. So I'm going to go and chill out. The girl is tired. A lot of love in this, though. A lot of love. It's our anniversary today. I wanted to do something that we really like. And I had a request for the other stuff. So, and I did that. I keep my word, right? So for those of you that did watch the video, both of them, thank you. And as always, this is the finished product. Now, the girl got to go upstairs, okay? She's tired. You know, the flat feet of my heel hurt on both feet. The flat part, the heel, it hurt. It's sore like. I don't know what that is, but anyway, y'all, thank you so much. And I don't know. You know what? I do know. I will be doing something again this week. I have a few requests. I gotta start knocking out my requests. It's good to have them. More for me to eat too. Anyways, thank you so much. Have a blessed evening. If you're in the Harrisburg area, if you want to sample, you know what to do. Bye.